Okay, now you're trying to get rid of this weird green dialogue. It's really annoying, so let's get into it. Now, first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to have to get yourself some DLL editing software, which is called Resource Hacker. This is what it looks like. It's a free program. Go ahead, download it. It's easy to use, it's intuitive, it's just awesome. It really works well. I love it. I use it in all kinds of different aspects. Now, in order to get rid of this, we're going to have to go get it. So we're going to have to find the file that's associated with the dialogue. Now you can find the file inside of your File Explorer, Program Files x86. Once you get into the Program Files folder, go ahead and find Google. Into the Google folder, you're going to find Chrome Remote Desktop. Inside of there, find the newest, most recently updated folder. Click on that. And from there, you're going to go ahead and find the remoting core.dll file. Now, you can delete this, but it's annoying. So the easiest way to get rid of this file is to just rename it. But before you do that, copy it to somewhere. Easy is copy it to your desktop and then go ahead and rename the original file. While you're renaming it, you're essentially cutting it out of existence. It can't be used anymore. So just rename it, let it sit there, and we're going to go ahead and work on the original remoting core file. Now we got to use the Resource Hacker and open the file that we just copied onto the desktop. There it is. Go ahead, open that up. You get a bunch of different files over here. On the left, we are interested in the Dialog folder. Go ahead and open that up, twirl it open. Now we're looking into the 110 folder, and all these files are for different languages. So we're looking for 1033 because that's the English one, and that's the default language on the computer that I'm using. In the event you have a default language that's different, go ahead and edit that file for your language. Now, notice the Resource Hacker gives us a preview of exactly what we're editing. So as you can see, it says your desktop is shared by somebody, blah, blah, blah. And what we're going to do is just go ahead and change these numbers, these values, from whatever they are to zeros. Once you do that, we're going to change the size and location of this dialog. We're going to change it from whatever value it is to 0. So it's essentially going to be invisible. Now, if you're looking at a number that has one digit, you're going to put 10. If it's got 2 digits, put 2 zeros. If it's got 3 digits, put 3 zeros. You must enter the same amount of characters that was originally on the screen. So go ahead, keep continuing, go through here, change all the values from whatever they are to 0. Once you're done, we're going to validate the file. While you're validating, it's going to give you an updated version of what this dialog is going to look like. So up at the top, you get this green button. It says Compile Script. Go ahead, click that, and then notice the changes are going to update in real time. Now, look at our dialog now. It's a bit smaller than it used to be, isn't it? So in this case, we have to save the new file. So we've compiled it. Now we're going to save it. We're going to overwrite the file that's already on our desktop. Say, yes, I'll replace that. And now we've got a file where the dialog box is virtually invisible. So from here, all we have to do is put this file into the Google remote desktop folder. Alright, so go ahead, copy that in there. Once you do that, you should be good to go. So let's go ahead and connect into it via a remote desktop connection using an alternative computer. We're going to go ahead and connect into it and see if the dialog pops up. And there you go. You're being controlled remotely, and there is no dialog. Essentially, there is. It's just incredibly small and stuck to a corner of the screen where no one will ever see it. So now, this is not permanent, strangely. Google Remote Assistant, it will update. And once it updates, it's going to go ahead and start popping up the dialog again. So you're going to have to live with this for a couple of months, and then it's going to update, and then you're going to have to do this again. So it's not a permanent fix, but it's a 4 or 5 minute fix, and you can do it as many times as you want. Thank you.